everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another review for you guys. The review is kind of a little bit different than what I normally do here on my channel. So today I'm just going to be changing my eyeball colors. Today I will be reviewing some contact lenses for you guys, and I'm quite excited to show you guys the colors that I have here that I'm going to be showing you very soon. So before I go ahead and start off my review, if you're new here on my channel, thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. And if you like more videos like this, reviews, makeup tutorials, or anything like that, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you all here on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to see the contact lenses that I've received, please keep on watching. Before starting off with the review, thank you so much for Just4Kira for sponsoring this video and this review for you guys. They also provided me with a coupon code that I'm going to be mentioning at the end of this video. Same thing as the link in the info box down below. If ever you're interested in the colors that I have here and also the styles, I will be trying them on, so it will give you a better idea on how they look and how they're going to feel in your eyes. So Just4Kira is a company that sells contact lenses, and what I really like about them is that they can also put your contact degree in there, or your vision degree in there, meaning if you are somebody who wears glasses on a daily basis, then they'll be able to put your degree in the contact lenses, which in my case that is what I did, because I do wear glasses on a daily basis. I require glasses on a daily basis. So Just4Kira was very nice enough to send me 6 pairs with my degree in there, and I really do appreciate that. So thank you so much for doing that. I know a lot of people love to wear contact lenses, especially when they go out. So this is what I received from them, and I'll be showing you everything very soon. I did choose the colors that I wanted, but unfortunately they were sold out of everything, and once they're going to be restocking, they will be sending me the colors that I chose. But in the meantime, they sent me their popular colors and popular styles, so I am here to review all of them for you guys. I do have 3 that are green, so I kind of just labeled them with some stickers. They also provide you with a contact lens holder like this one, like a little how do you call this? I don't know, like contact lens holder. They do send you this as well once you order your contact lenses, so they look really cool, and I really like the concept of this, the fact that it's transparent and you can see the contact, and you also have the tools. It's very nice. I honestly really like this packaging. It's very simple, I know, but I really like it. It's super cute. So I'm going to show you guys the contact lenses that they gave me. At first when I opened the box, I was like, why so many? But then I realized that it was 1 for each eye. So basically there's 2 browns in here. So one is for your left eye and one is for your right eye. And obviously if you have any vision degrees, they will write down at the bottom, so you would know which one will go for which eye. So it's written down here. So I am a -1.5 and no, -150. I don't know why I shared that information, but that is my eye but that is my eye visions. So I guess I'll start off with the brown one. This one's called NEALA Brown. This is actually a super pretty color. I'm not sure if you're able to see it from the container right here, but it looks like that, and it's kind of like on a pinky brown color. But when I first saw it, I was like, very interesting. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try this one on and see how it's going to look like. First of all, this is a packaging, and I absolutely love it so much. I love the rose gold. I love how like holographic it is. It's super cute. The back right here, it gives you the expiry date. So these can go up to 2025, 12/21. Contact lenses for me, from the ones I buy, it's about a month long. It depends which ones that you have. Obviously, every contact lenses is different, but the fact that you have the expiry date in the back here, which is really cool. All right, so let's go ahead and try on the brown one first. So this is how the packaging look like. I'm just going to talk about it a little bit more. There isn't really much to say, but other than it's like friendly, especially if you're on the go, and you know, because there's a lot of them that comes actually with like a screw cap on. So if you lose it, you're like, oh my god, you're screwed basically. But the fact that this is like this, it just makes it super easy to transport as well if you're somebody who wears contacts on a daily basis. Now I do highly recommend that you do wash your hands before putting these in your eyes. It's very important important, or just disinfect your hand. You do have a tweezer that you'll be able to remove the contact, which I will use shortly, and they all come with this little tool as well. Honestly, this tool terrifies me. The fact that this is something that gets closer to my eye, it terrifies me, but it definitely makes the contact lens applicator much easier. If you're somebody who doesn't really know how to put contact lenses on, then this is going to help you. And you also have like a little spoon as well. I'm not sure this is for what, I guess to scoop out the contact lens, but to do that I just use this one, so it makes it way easier. So I'll show you guys. So you just go in there and grab the contact, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna show you how you can use the tool as well. So you just grab the tool and you place the contact lens on there like that, and you just go ahead and put it in your eye. So this is my right one. Obviously it has my degree in there, so I need to know which one is which. So let me just grab my mirror here, trying to get closer to you guys, and I will be applying it on. So basically I'm also going to show you guys how to apply contact lenses on. I normally just tuck on my eyeball right there. I look away and then I pop it on. If you guys not always easy. Once it's on, I just look toward it and voila. I know it's a little bit more terrifying when you're doing it like that, but ooh, I love this one. It's super nice. This is my eye before and then my eye after. It does make my eye look bigger too, which I kind of like. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the second one. So I'll be using the tweezers again. I normally like to use my fingers when applying it, to be honest. I find that the tool terrifies me just a tiny bit. I don't know why, but it really does. But I'm just gonna take my fingers for this one. You might find the tool easy if you're somebody who doesn't wear contact lenses, or you're learning how to put contact lenses on, then the tool would be way much easier for you guys. But I normally just take my finger like so and I pop it in, and then I look toward it. Okay, so these are the brown ones, and I honestly really like them a lot. They do have a hint of pink if you see me in real life. Like if I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I definitely see a little bit of a pink tone in there. I don't know about you guys, but it definitely made my eye look lighter than my actual eye color. And I honestly really like this. I normally am not a big fan of brown contact lenses because I just find it super close to my natural eye color. My natural eye color is a little bit more hazily. It all depends on the eyeshadow that I'm wearing. You guys can kind of like notice them here on my channel. If I'm wearing more on the red tones or purple tones, the green definitely in my eyes pop a little bit more. That's what I thought that this was going to give me. It kind of looks like my eye color when I have a little bit more eyeshadow on, but definitely more on the lighter brown version as well. And like I said, it does have a hint of pink in it, but I do really like this color a lot. I'm just gonna also show you guys how I remove the contact lenses off. I'm not sure if you can remove them with this tool. I'll be a little bit more terrified, to be honest, to use this tool. I'm just scared of it. I prefer my fingers. So I kind of just pull down the lower lash line and I get close to the eyeball and I just pinch it and I remove it. It's really easy and very simple. So I'll do the same thing with this eye. Look down, get to the eyeball and pinch and remove. It comes out super easily. And this is how I remove the contact lenses, how I wear them and how I take them off. Next color I'm going to be trying is called Alpha Green. Now they did send me 3 green shades. So for the greens, since I have 3, I did label them with stickers so I would know which one is which. This one I labeled it with a little green hand, and this is called Alpha Green. And I just added the sticker down here so I would know which one is which one. This one I really like the color of it. I'll show you guys how it looks like in detail. So I'm just gonna use the tweezer. This is the Alpha Green and I just love the details that it has. It does really show you the color detail, which I really like. So I'm just using my finger, applying it on the side, moving my eyeball toward it, and this is how it looks like. wow, this is such a huge difference and scary looking as well. This is definitely more on the brighter green. The only thing about this lens is that I feel like where the pupil is, they didn't cut, or they didn't cut the pupil size a little bit larger. I can definitely see the rim of the contact lens, which I know this is something that's going to bother me, especially this one. I won't be able to wear it outside, because if you're somebody who has headaches and migraines from your eyes like me, you're probably not going to like this one so much. But the pro side about this contact lens is definitely the color of the lens. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the green, I just absolutely love it. But the only down part is that the pupil part is not wide enough for me to see very well, just because I do see the rims of the contact, which is something that's definitely going to bother me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Look how beautiful this is. But again, I don't really like this pair so much. It's just because I do see the rim and it bothers me a lot. It's definitely giving me a headache. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my pictures and my little video with this contact lens and remove it as fast as possible. But on the other hand, the color is absolutely stunning. Next color is called Aurora Blue, and this is how they look like. It's a pretty blue color. So I'm just gonna show you guys how they look like on the inside. So they come like this. Each pair comes in a little container like this one, and it also comes with instructions. The only thing is that the instructions is all in Chinese. It's not even in English or French, because Just4Kira is actually from China. So if ever you want to order them, you are getting them from China. I just want to let you guys know about that, and it shows you how the contact lens is supposed to look like before you put it on, which is quite helpful. There's the pictures on here, but you know, everything else is definitely all in Chinese. So I just wanted to show you these little details when you purchase from Just4Kira. So yes, so let's go ahead and apply the blue pair. Also, the blue pair has a beautiful style to it as well. It really looks like a real eye color. So this is the blue one, comparing it to my natural eye. It's pretty blue and it's very nice actually. This one is very comfortable. I absolutely love this one. So this is the blue, and I have to say I love this one so much. I just like how natural it looks on, and also this one is incredibly comfortable on. I just love everything about this color and this style. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it completely changed my face. It's crazy. Alright, next color, this is called NEALA Green. NEALA Green is kind of like the same style as the NEALA Brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you this one right here, which is this color. So let's go ahead and apply them on. These are actually really nice. They kind of have like a yellow tone to them, which I'm quite excited to see how this is going to look like on me. So they do have kind of like a yellowish tone and a dark rim, which is really cool. This one makes the eye look bigger. Ooh. Ooh, these are really nice. Look how pretty these are. I absolutely really like those a lot actually. Oh my god, I almost dropped the liquid all over me. Okay, so this is how this one looks like. Oh my god, I love this one so much. This is really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, next color I'm going to be trying. This is called Crystal Gray, and I have to say, you guys, I love gray contact lenses. My whole life, since I started wearing contact lenses, they were all gray. I think gray is my favorite color in contact lenses. So I'm quite excited to show you guys these ones right here. So let's go ahead and give these a try and see how they are going to look like on. Alright, so I popped both on, and I think this is my favorite one, you guys. I think this one is the one. I love it. I just find that it goes so well with my skin tone, with my hair. I love gray eyes. I mean, if you're naturally born with eye colors like that, then you are so lucky, and that I hate you so freaking much. I'm just joking, but honestly it's just a beautiful, gorgeous eye color. Wow, they do have a hint of a blue tone, but it's very, very, very light. You definitely see the gray tone. It kind of reminds me, I'm not sure whose eyes it reminds me of, but it's absolutely stunning, and I love this color so freaking much, and the style as well. Alrighty, last but not least, this is called Crystal Green, and they do have the same style as the Crystal Gray. I loved the Crystal Gray so much. It's for sure that I'm going to love this one as well. Definitely the style Crystal. I think I kind of like it. So let's go ahead and pop these on and show you guys how it's going to look like on. Yes, I love this. Definitely one of my favorites as well. Definitely the gray comes first, and then this one. This is so beautiful. It really hides your eye color, your natural eye color, if you guys are wondering about that. If you have black eyes or really dark brown eyes and you want something light, then this is definitely going to hide the natural pigment of your eye and make the color of the contact lens really pop. I highly recommend these. They are really comfortable on as well, and definitely the fact that it has my vision degree in here, it really makes it easy for me for the summertime to wear them on the go. You know what I mean? They're super nice, and this is how Crystal Green looks like. I'm obsessed with this style. It's absolutely stunning. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. So I did go ahead and remove the last contact pair just to finish off this video. I really wanted to keep it on, but I'm actually having a headache today. It's not from the contact lenses. I actually woke up with it. I think with the time change lately, I haven't been sleeping that well, and just my sleep is just really off. So I've been having headaches from time to time, but I know I'll get over it soon. But overall, this is the end of the review. I really hope you guys enjoyed each color. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to use them in my tutorials here for you guys. Also, Just4Kira was really nice enough to provide me with a coupon code, and it's LBBYND, and with this coupon code you get 20% off. Also, if you liked any of the colors and styles that I tried on for you guys today, I will leave them all in the info box down below if you guys are interested in any of them. Overall, this is the end of the review. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I want to wish you all a wonderful day. I love you guys, and see you next time. Bye.